Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So today's video is on Synthswap. This is one of the first decentralized exchanges in the zkSync ecosystem with an automated market maker, or AMM for short. Synthswap is actually built by the Zyberswap team. And if you don't know who Zyberswap is, they have absolutely been killing it. They're a decentralized exchange for the Arbitrum network, and they have absolutely been killing it. Like I said, from launch, they did over a 46x. They've had some retracements, so it's a great time to get in if you don't hold any, but I highly recommend you check it out. And they have been doing some amazing trading volume. Zyberswap has been doing about $40 million in trading volume and close to $2.5 billion in trading volume to date. So do not underestimate this project and this team. And like I said, Zyberswap is behind Synthswap, so this makes me incredibly bullish on this project. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Synthswap in the comments below. Let me know what you think about it. But me personally, I see some amazing opportunities for the ecosystem that they're tapping into. For the team that's behind it, I really do think that this project can absolutely explode and go to the moon once it launches. Now, guys, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. I'm telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and presenting you with opportunities. Me personally, I'm still kicking myself because I had the opportunity to get in on Zyberswap when it launched, and I didn't. And it did a 46x. So when I saw that Synthswap was coming out and being developed by the same team, I said, all right, I don't want to pass this up. I need to make a video on it. I want to present it to my community, just show you guys, my thoughts and what I'm personally going to be doing. But I'm going to be investing into this one. Like everything in all projects, only invest what you can afford to lose. But me, I'm bullish on this project because they're tapping into a big ecosystem and it's a great team behind them. So some of the other things that really make me bullish on Synthswap is that they're basically going to have the lowest trading fees from all of their competitors out there. And they have some very amazing rewards for their staking and yield farming. So they're going to be some of the best on the market. So this is huge. This is actually really bullish news when I look at the project and I look at other projects that are out there. I think that this will draw a lot of people to Synthswap. So like I said, I'd love to hear what you think about this in the comments below. So you might be asking yourself, all right, Synthswap, how do I get into it? Where can I buy it? All of these good things. Well, they are going to be launching on April 24th to April 30th. You'll be able to buy this through the Synthswap exchange as well as through Zyberswap. All right. So I highly recommend you check it out. I'm going to leave all the links in the description below. You can check out their tokenomics, their white paper, all the stuff, links to their website. Check it out. I highly recommend it. Like I said, me personally, I'm going to be picking up a small bag, sitting on this until it goes to the moon. So like I said, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Something else I wanted to touch base on is actually you can get a 10% discount when you go and purchase your Synthswap tokens. Now this is a great option here. If you're holding Zyberswap tokens and you stake those, you can get a 10% discount. So I'll break it down to you right now. If you're holding 250 Zyberswap tokens and you lock those for 7 days, you get a 10% discount. If you're holding 150 Zyberswap tokens and you stake those for 30 days, you get a 10% discount. And if you're holding 100 Zyberswap tokens and you stake those for 90 days, you'll get a 10% discount on your Synthswap tokens. So this is a great option, great opportunity. Me personally, I can guarantee you I'm going to go pick up 250 Zyberswap tokens, get myself a 10% discount, and I'll be picking up myself a nice bag of Synthswap for the long haul, because I think that these projects in the next bull cycle can absolutely blow up and kill it. So like I said, I would love to hear your thoughts on these projects in the comments below, but for me, I'm incredibly bullish. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Like I said, that's it. I just wanted to bring this really quick video to you, presenting you with this amazing opportunity. Don't overlook Synthswap. Don't miss out on these amazing gains that can be made. Make sure you always do what I say in all my videos. Take profits on the way up. If you see a project do a 5, 6, 8, 10x, pull out your initial. All right, sit on a free moon bag. That's the best advice I can give you in crypto and this project and any project out there. But for me personally, I think Synthswap, we're going to see some fireworks. And I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments below. All right, Cryptopians, have a great day. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and if you haven't already, go over and join our Discord. We've got amazing opportunities over there, great people, crypto multi-millionaires, crypto beginners. We're helping each other grow, sharing opportunities, creating a family and a space where we can actually grow together. So if that sounds interesting, I hope to see you in our Discord. All right, everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.